Sometimes lost when we talk and think about crime in Santa Clara County are the thousands of people it affects directly. Their home has been broken into, their money stolen, their blood and tears shed. Many may feel that crime is someone else's nightmare, that it is a sad but inevitable truth that victims must bear the burdens of their financial, physical, and emotional traumas on their own. However, know this: victims have rights, victims have resources. We're here to help. The Santa Clara County District Attorney's Office and our community partner Silicon Valley FACES Victim Witness Assistance Program work closely together to reach out to victims of crime and help them rebuild their lives. I'm District Attorney Jeff Rosen, and I'm here at the FACES headquarters in San Jose to speak with Casey Halkin, Witness Director of FACES. It's National Crime Victims' Rights Week in Santa Clara County. We're here to talk about how we can help crime victims and how crime victims can help themselves. Casey, what are the rights of crime victims?
Victims have rights under Marsy's Law, which is a California constitutional amendment. Some of those rights include the right to legal standing, reasonable protection from the defendant, notification of all court proceedings, and restitution. If the victim would like to request these rights, they can do so through their advocate or through the assigned district attorney.
Does the victim have the right to drop the charges?
The victim does not have the right to drop the charges. The deputy district attorney is responsible for that decision.
Courts are generally open to the public. Does the victim have to come to court?
No, the victim does not have to come to court unless they receive a subpoena. They are welcome to attend. They can even attend if there's a protective order in place.
Are there any specific services available to child victims, victims of sexual assault, or victims of domestic violence?
Yes, the court considers these victims particularly vulnerable. They do have specific rights. Advocates can go to court with them, provide support during testimony. These victims also can access victim witness rooms, which are outside of the courtroom, where they can wait while they're waiting to testify so they don't have to see the defendant.
Is there a way for victims to tell the court about the impact that the crime has had on them and their families?
Yes, that is called the victim impact statement. Generally, it's a written statement given to the judge or an oral statement read in court at the time of sentencing. And in that statement, the victim can talk about how the crime affected them emotionally and psychologically. And if they have any problems writing the statement, one of our advocates can assist them.
The District Attorney's Office works very hard to ensure that victims are able to recover the losses that they've suffered from this crime being committed to them. What kind of losses can victims recoup?
Victims can recoup almost any crime-related expense, specifically medical bills and counseling bills, but even things like property damage or property loss.
Are there other kinds of losses that victims can recoup?
They can, and they can do that through the California Victim Compensation Program. That program exists to help reimburse victims for out-of-pocket costs. So in addition to medical or counseling bills, that program can also assist with something like funeral and burial costs in a homicide case, and in situations of extreme danger, even relocation for a victim or witness.
Will victim witness advocates tell victims about the Victim Compensation Board?
Absolutely. In general, in all of our conversations with victims, we talk with them about the California Victim Compensation Program, and if our victims have any additional questions, they're always more than welcome to call us back.
Thank you, Casey.
Thank you.
Every year, thousands of innocent people in our community become victims of crime. They deserve our understanding, compassion, and respect. Along with our thoughts and prayers, they deserve our helping hands.